How far is out now? How far now?
See, tire you, person grab opportunity. If poverty hold you for neck, any opportunity, grab her. What do they want? EFCC chairman with the cash in go. Now ask for family.
Always get investment.
So why not get investment?
Now why?
See, for this Nigeria, only everybody. Yahoo liba falawo. Every level more ban it farao. Anara mali buy you. Now Peter, they always see everything. Oh, but so what they use? See what this guy found.
Hello, Jenny.
I know that Jenny. She look Jenny. You are big now. Play with big boys. Leave children. You are not my kid now. Fine there. Jenny.
Jenny, you play our game. Jenny, we'll bring food now. I'll give you yours. You take it. You will take it. I'll take my own. First person to empty the plate.
Empty.
Hold the phone.
Just to empty the plate.
If you empty your plate first, hold our phone. Take it. If I empty it, I'll take your phone. If it does, do you like
Sarah.
Do you mean to empty the plate?
empty the place? Yes, empty the place. Turn up. Jenny, this is
why you get there. Okay, I come.
Go.
Jenny, you play Abi?
Jenny, sit myself. Peter, no stay long.
Say they wise. Woman.